Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Karen. Today I'll be showing you how to make ginger cookies. I made some before and it came out perfect and it also tastes delicious. I'm going to show you how we reach to this. Alright, let me take a bite, see? I'll take another one. So, if you want to know how to make it, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Don't forget, like the thing, subscribe, and share it to everybody. First, we have here a measuring cup, mark 1 cup. We're going to use this for the flour, which is here. I already take out the amount of sugar. This is 1/4 cup of sugar. You're going to use butter that is unsalted. We're going to need ginger. You don't need this amount. You could either grate it or you could blend it. It is better when you blend it. And you're going to need a cookie pan. First, we'll cream the butter. So we'll just use a 1/4 cup of sugar. This is brown sugar, so I don't have to use a lot of it. If you're using white sugar, you're going to use a little bit more. And this is 1/3 cup of butter. Remember, it's unsalted butter. Butter already cream, and as you could see the consistency of it, and this would give the cookies a smooth texture. We can add the ginger, and this is about 1/2 teaspoon, or you could put a teaspoon depending on how much ginger you like. Remember, ginger is a strong tasting something, so you don't have to put a lot. So it is better when you blend it, but I just grate the ginger. Right, so you can just put this here and you're gonna mix it up. You're gonna let it mix up for like about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add the flour later. The cookie dough is all mixed, so we can just put it together, and then we're gonna put it in the pan and we can put it to bake. So you can just use your hand to put it together. We don't want too much of a wet consistency. Cut. Now form it into a big ball. This just form into a ball without water. If your dough is a little dry, you could add a tip of water, not too much. But it's supposed to be able to form into this ball without it. Remember, it's cookie dough, so you don't want to add too much water. And this, if you want, you could put aside a 1/2 of this. You put it in the fridge, or where you need it, you cut it up and you bake it. Or if you're using all one time, you put it into your different shapes, and there's how you're going to get your nice different shapes of cookies and whatnot. Well, I can just use the regular shape that I would use. I can just roll it into small balls, and then you're going to see how I just make it. You can make it into little balls. They gotta be perfect. That'll be perfect. Wow. We already wrung it out, and you could see I flattened the tops of it a bit. Now I can just show you my design. I just use nothing special. I just take a fork and press down the top. And you can just do this for all of them, and you'll get a nice simple design. Cookies, we already put the design. You see how it look beautiful. So we can just put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 15 minutes, and you'll get beautiful, lovely cookies. Yes, it's been about 20 minutes, so we can just turn off the oven. And take it out, and as you can see, golden brown and lovely. And you can leave it to cool and come back. So now the cookies are cool and you could eat it. I like to just put them over in the bowl, so when I need it, I can just take a couple and eat with anything. Good. So we have nicely packaged cookies, you see, and cover it. And you have lovely cookies. Share it, carry it as a snack anywhere. Anytime you need it, you have it right here. Try the recipe.